Get you high, very lucky. I don't want to give off any ideas.
Hey, sorry, this is beyond me, Rangiku. I can barely contain my emotions. They can look all they want. I just want to have my way with you now. Let's hurry, okay? Hey, Captain, they seem close.
Ha, ha. Ha, ha.
Didn't know they are a thing. Whatever, I want some ice cream. Amazing. You have such an expression on your face, it's quite funny.
I can't understand why my mind is so empty. Oh my god, it's driving me crazy.
Don't get distracted, Rangiku. Look at me.
Hey Toshio, have you seen Rangiku anywhere? I thought she said she wanted to play volleyball with us.
Hell if I know. Why is everyone always asking me?